Hi guys and welcome back. So this is in continuation to the video which I last uploaded on sneak peek into my guinea pigs mansion. Today I'm going to show you the place where my guinea pig roams and how I set it up and everything. So this is the smaller cage where I keep them while I'm cleaning my hall. They stay over here for just maybe half an hour while the house is being cleaned. So their water bowl is always over here. This is one Heidi which is always in the cage for them. So while I'm setting up the outside of their cage to roam, my cruise boy is patiently waiting at the gate over here for the gate to be opened. Just look at him. Setup. I have placed everything in its place and Jack and Cruz are waiting to come out. Let me just explain to you. This is one Heidi and I put cloths in them. This is another Heidi and another Heidi. These two were actually Heidi's they are for cats and dogs, which I got on Amazon. I will make a separate video of all the Heidis and all the products that I'm using, and I'll put the links in the description, so in case you all want to purchase it, you all can purchase it from there. These are sheets which are used for babies, so that whenever they pee on the bed, the pee doesn't go through and it doesn't reach the mattress. I bought these also from Amazon. It has this plastic like coating on one side. It's not plastic, but I don't know, some kind of a coating which doesn't allow the pee to pass through. So I bought these sheets and I placed them on the floor over here and one over here, because whenever the piggies pee on the ground, sometimes the pee leaves some kind of a stain which doesn't go by plain swabbing of the floor. I need to like scrub it with a steel scrubber. So to avoid too much of that, I started using these sheets over here and they are really helpful. And I just kept one cloth over here for them to sit. So this is a temporary cage which is used only when the floor is being cleaned. What I have done is, this much space is available for my guinea pigs to roam, and whichever places it's possible for them to go under the furniture, I have blocked it with something like for example here they can easily go under the furniture and they take so long to come out, and that's why I have blocked it with this cardboard thing. I have blocked this with a cushion. I have blocked this with this bolster. Here is my sofa, so there's no space for them to go anywhere. I have blocked this portion with these cushions. Okay, and this is my workstation. Now these wires over here, usually when I'm at home, I leave it open and I observe them that they do not go into this area, but at nights I block this part with some cushion. Now I'm going to set Cruz and Jack free and come boy. this portion to roam in, and they also have this side available, but this side is rarely used. It's like very rarely when they are in a mood they'll come and sit over here somewhere at this portion. Otherwise mostly it's only that portion that they are very satisfied with. I'm planning on getting the CC grills for them, but I'm a little scared because the square ones which are there, sometimes I have seen pictures where the guinea pig gets stuck into it. So I'm searching for this kind of grills for them, but for now they are roaming in this portion. Okay guys, that's all for this video, and I'm going to make another video where I'm going to explain all these Heidi's, and I'm going to give in the description from where I purchased them. Thanks for watching guys. If you like my video, please subscribe and share, and I'll be back with more videos.